Step here, accessibility for the train system.
As a totally blind person, my mobility independence is of utmost importance. As I'm approaching the tram station with no help, I have this feeling of helplessness.
As a blind woman, it's very frustrating to find the stations, when the train comes even. So I need to find the door, and it takes a long time to find the door, and I'm really nervous that the train will go.
When I'm inside the train, first I have to know what stop I have to get off at. And if there's nobody inside to help me around, that happens quite frequently, I have to know if I have to get out on the left door or the right door. And it's happened to me where I've approached the wrong door, and actually the door on the other side opened, and I missed it and was too late, and I missed my stop.
The door shuts very quickly sometimes, and if there are some obstacles, sometimes people standing there or children with strollers or stuff, and then I can simply can't reach the door in time.
Step here, smart accessibility for rolling stock and platforms.
Wow, it was really, really comforting.
Central Station.
It was quite amazing. When I approached the station, I exactly knew where to turn because I could hear
Central Station.
the device speaking.
Green Line North.
The system helps me to know exactly what lines are coming into the station and when they're coming in.
Red Line North, 1237.
When I need to get in the train, I know exactly where the door is because I have the voice system. Step Here system is amazing. First of all, it tells me 2 minutes before when I need to get off. I can chill, I can enjoy myself being on the train, and I really love train.
It gives me more time to board. It keeps the doors open longer, so the whole maneuvering inside the coach is easier.
Once I have the Step Here system on my phone, it connects automatically, the door opens automatically, and the buzzer stays buzzing for a longer period of time. The door stays open for a longer period of time. I know exactly what stop I was at and which door, if I was in that door on the left or the door on the right. Step Here tells me what's around me.
Shopping Mall, 100 meters east.
And it helps me get oriented in the neighborhood that I'm in.
The Step Here improved my experience in traveling.
That feeling of helplessness just like didn't exist. I mean, that's the thing.
It's not frustrating anymore. So that's amazing. I would totally recommend it to everyone.